Hi guys, I'm gonna show you today how to assemble a shoe cabinet from Ikea. This one here. Let's do it now. That's what you get in the box.
So take all panels out from the box, few screws, 2 plastic legs. Good practice is to put all panels, all same size panels together, so you're gonna have them handy. Usually you work with them together with the same size panels. Few plastics, and we're starting with the 2 slim dividing panels. There is a wooden plug on one wooden plug on each of the dividing panel. Can put them on the side. This is 2 big side panels. This is the biggest panel in a box. 4 screws in each panel. Those screws, they have a stopper, so just go till the stopper, don't go deeper, don't go higher than you need. Second panel exactly the same, 4 screws just till the stopper. There it is. And the last screw exactly the same till the stopper. Those 2 slim dividing panels gonna have 4 locks, 1 on each side. So just point the arrow in the right direction, facing the holes. This is the upper panel, 4 plastic locks, arrow in the right direction again, facing the holes. And we can connect the cupboard together. Side panels with the dividing panels and an upper panel. Find the right holes, place it in and secure the locks. Twist the plastic lock to the right side. If you have the locks in the right position, should not have a problem here. 2 plastic locks on each side panel on the bottom side. Again facing the holes, the arrow on a plastic lock facing the hole. We can connect the cupboard together now. Just find the right holes, place it in, tap it all in flat. There it is. And secure the locks. Just twist the lock to the right side. All secured. I'm gonna have another 2 locks on the top part of the side panels. Same on the other side, 2 plastic locks facing the holes on the edge. This is bottom and top panel. The top panel have a small gap on one side. 4 screws in each panel. It's exactly the same screws with the stopper. So just go till the stopper, no deeper, no higher. Gonna have 2 plastic legs. There is a wooden plug in each leg. Just place it in. This is top panel going out. This is the bottom panel. On the other side you got 2 holes on each side. So one going the wooden plug going in. Exactly the same other leg. Wooden plug going in, and there is another hole for the screws to secure the leg. So just secure the leg with the 1 screw. Okay, now we can connect those 2 panels. This is the bottom. Find the right holes, place it in. Should go in easy. And you can secure it from inside. There's 2 locks on each side. Twist the lock to the right side. This is a back part of the top, on the top side. This is not very good how to do it. I find out very soon. It's gonna just fall off. Gonna have to lift the whole cupboard up. See, because there's no space to hold it on the top part. So just put the cupboard up, place the back panel in, and here you can place the top panel. Just place it in, find the gap at the back, and find the right holes on the side panels. Once you're in, place it all in. It should be all flat. You're gonna see it. And secure the locks. You're gonna have 2 locks on each side. twist the lock to the right side, and it's secured. Place it against the wall. As we have the legs now, it's kind of flimsy. You're gonna have 3 plastics on each side that's gonna hold the shoe compartments. Secure it, each one with the 1 screw. There's 1 bigger hole, just place it in and secure it with the 3 screws, 1 screw in each plastic. This is the shoe compartments. So you're gonna have the front part and the 2 plastic part on the sides. Each plastic part have 3 screws. Just secure the screws. Watch out here, those plastics are a bit flimsy. Don't break them. You can bend them a little bit to get the screwdriver in, or electric screwdriver. I find it a bit hard. So just the patience is the key. This is the bottom part. I'm gonna have 2 gaps where you place it. It should just come in easy, and secure it with 1 screw on each side. That wooden panel. Back panel of the shoe compartment, exactly the same. Place it in and secure it with the 1 screw on each side. Handle, 1 screw from inside, and door handle. Just secure it together. You got 1 compartment ready, exactly the same for the other one. 3 screws on each plastic, 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Secure them in. Don't go too hard here. I found those plastic bit they can break easily, so just secure it when you feel the resistance. That's it, just stop. Bottom part, 1 screw from one side, another screw from other side, and the back part of the compartment, and we secure it with the screws from the side. Door handle, 1 screw, there it is. This is the last one, so exactly the same. Front side, 3 screws in on each side. Watch out where is the door handle, don't go upside down. That's only the mistake I think you can do here. Bottom panel, make sure it's inside. There is like a small gap where you can put it, and exactly the same on the back panel of the shoe compartment. Secure it with 1 screw on each side, and the handle is the last bit. Secure the screw from inside, hold the handle. Now there is a plastic coming in with the screw, so you can prepare the screw, put it through the plastic and secure it in the hole. Exactly the same on the other side. Screw through the plastic, get it through the compartment and to the hole. See, there is 1 hole on the side. That's where we're going. Place it in and secure it. Exactly the same on the other side. I have to go behind that stopper and then secure the screw. Third one, exactly the same. Go behind the stopper, place the plastic with the screw in, secure it on one side. Of course, hold the compartment with the other hand, otherwise it's kind of going down. And secure the last one. That's it. Got all 3 together. This is divider which is going in. Just watch out how you put it. It's easy to put it on the side. I did it on the wrong, a bit wrong on the top one. Just place it in, and you got all three ready. Now I'm gonna show you how to attach this shoe cabinet to the wall. Check the wall if you don't have any wires, electric wires or plumbing stuff behind it. Once you check if everything is alright, you can mark the holes with a screwdriver or the pen. Take the shoe cabinet out, check it again just to make sure there is nothing. Better check it twice than make 1 mistake and drill the electric wires. Place the wall plug in, the right one for the wall. Each wall is different, so depending if you have plasterboard, brick or anything else. can place the shoe cabinet back and secure it. You're gonna have 2 long screws through the top dividing panels, those slim ones, one on one side, another one on the other side. Just secure that in. You're gonna feel the resistance if you in a good spot. If not, go again. There it is. It's all secured. Now I find out I put one of the dividers wrong, so you just make it right. There's 2 gaps. Just slide it in. It should be nicely in, and you can secure them. You not need to. You can secure them with 1 screw on each side if you want. Sometime maybe you just want to take them out, put a bigger shoe, so you don't need to secure them. Easier to take it out later on.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as always. Don't forget, you will make my day, and see you in my next one very soon. Have a fantastic day.